This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donna Cardinale. Beautiful river landing home new on market. This home sits on the perfect lot, adjacent to a beautiful lake. Splish-splash in your oversized pool and spa. Large family room with picturesque view of tropical landscaping is open to the kitchen and breakfast nook, allowing for ample space to entertain. Formal living room and dining room overlook the tranquil lake and crystal blue water of the pool. Stainless steel appliances and tons of cabinet space in your kitchen. Master suite features a bonus room that can be used as a nursery, sitting area, or office. Bath features tub and separate shower. Guest bedrooms west/walk-in closets. Cabana Bath to pool deck. 2011 metal standing seam roof. Electrical panel and washer 2020. Bring your remodeling talent and make this home your own tropical paradise. Gated and common dock for boating. For more information, review the details below or contact Donna Cardinale at 772-486-0864.